Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download and install Duet Night Abyss game on PC. So open Chrome, in Chrome type Duet Night Abyss and search for it, and then open the Duet Night Abyss official website. Then click on this PC download, or if you have the Epic Games then you can click on Epic Games download. So I am showing the PC download, so click on this PC download option, and once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run this exe file. So just wait for it to get downloaded. Now once it is downloaded, then you can click on this exe file to run it, or you can also click on this folder icon to open the path location, and then double click on this exe file. Then check mark this option, I have read and agreed to the terms of service privacy policy. You can also change the download path by clicking on this change option. So I am installing on C drive, so whatever is the default path, I am leaving it as it is, and then click on the install button. Now just wait for it. Now click on run now. Now the Duet Night Abyss launcher has been installed. Now you have to download the game. So click on this download. You can see the game size is 15.23 GB. So you have to just wait for this file to get completed, and then you can play the game. So by this way you can download and install Duet Night Abyss game on your PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.